Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that goes beyond traditional beauty, the Philips Sonicare 5700 Series Electric Toothbrush. If you're tired of brushing the same old way, this innovative device promises to change your routine and help you achieve a cleaner, healthier mouth with some serious technology behind it. But is it worth the investment? Stick around to find out, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you never miss a review from us. The Philips Sonicare 5700 series is packed with next-generation sonic technology designed to give you a professional-level clean right at home. Equipped with a pressure sensor, this toothbrush not only ensures effective cleaning, but also protects your gums from unnecessary pressure. It boasts a C3 2-in-1 brush head specifically designed to remove up to 1,000% more plaque and help you achieve up to 100% healthier gums. This model offers 6 brushing settings, including 2 brushing modes, clean and gum health, and 3 intensity levels, which allow you to personalize your brushing experience. The unique Sonicare fluid action technology supports the bristles, driving fluid deep between your teeth and along the gum line for a more thorough clean, especially in those hard-to-reach spots. The toothbrush also comes with the SmarTimer and BrushPacer features, ensuring you brush for the optimal 2 minutes and get the most out of each session. Every 20 seconds, the BrushPacer prompts you to move to a new area of your mouth, and the SmarTimer indicates when your session is complete. It's like having a professional dental guide in the palm of your hand. When I tested this toothbrush, I immediately noticed a difference in the smoothness of my teeth after each use. The pressure sensor is a game changer, as it gently reminds you if you're brushing too hard, which can be a common issue. It helped me be more mindful of my technique, ensuring I wasn't damaging my gums. The bristles felt soft, yet effective, providing a clean that didn't irritate my gums, but still managed to get deep into those hard-to-reach areas. The addition of the gum health mode was a pleasant surprise, as I could feel it gently massaging my gums, enhancing the overall experience. But it's not all perfect. The toothbrush is a bit bulky compared to traditional brushes, and it can take up extra space in the bathroom. Also, while it's great for those looking for a personalized cleaning experience, it may feel overwhelming for someone who just wants a straightforward brushing session. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Philips Sonicare 5700 is priced on the higher end, but when you factor in the advanced features like the pressure sensor, personalized modes, and the fact that it's dentist recommended, it feels like a solid investment in your oral health. Plus, the 21-day battery life is impressive. I only had to charge it a few times in a month, making it perfect for travel or just everyday use without worrying about frequent charging. Is this the best toothbrush out there? It's definitely up there. If you're someone who takes oral health seriously, appreciates tech-driven solutions, and wants that deep clean every time, the Philips Sonicare 5700 delivers. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting a tailored brushing experience, especially if you struggle with brushing too hard or need a more thorough clean for healthier gums. Now, if the price tag seems a bit steep, there are more affordable options available. Look for toothbrushes that still offer basic sonic technology or pressure sensors without the added features. If you're more focused on a simple, effective clean, you might find something that works just as well, but at a lower price point. Before I wrap this up, I want to ask, does this review help you decide whether this toothbrush is worth the splurge? If so, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews just like this. And if you're itching to try it out, check out the link in the comments for more info. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you've tried the Philips Sonicare 5700, drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.